Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, Sean Specialties. So today we are making a breakfast banana split. So let's get right into it. So first you have to peel your banana, but tip, all the black dots, the brown dots that you have in your banana makes it ripe and sweet. So let's peel it. Now, put it into the banana split bowl and we cut it like a boat. So what that means is you don't cut it fully, you cut it so it can open. Like this. Okay. Like this. So, now, we put plain yogurt. You can use vanilla, you can use any yogurt. And we just do little dollops of yogurt. There we go. Good. And now we put our toppings on. So I have some granola. It's Purely Elizabeth. They are such a great company. They have the chocolate, they have chocolate peanut butter, and I have some coconut flakes. And now I cut up some strawberries very thin, like this. I'm just gonna put them on. And a few more, and then good. And I have some blueberries. We can just take a little handful and put them on here as a little something something. And now I have some chocolate sauce. It's with some peanut butter and some cacao powder. I mixed it together. So and that's good. And now I have some chocolate chips. And the strawberries and the blueberries always have to be organic because they're on the Dirty Dozen, and so does the yogurt. And I have to drizzle a little honey. I get this from my local beekeeper. And yeah, this is the finished product. And now I'm going to try. To tell you one thing, that is the best banana split I've ever had. I think I'll have this for dessert too. This is amazing, very healthy. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more of my videos. And comment down below what your favorite food is so I can get new ideas for healthy videos. See you next time, guys. Bye.